Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by closing Mobile Legends and clearing its cache to remove corrupt temp files. This often frees stuck matchmaking states. Next, switch to a stable Wi-Fi or 4G connection and check latency. Low ping matters. Make sure you're logged into the correct server and account. Mismatches cause endless queue loops. Once done, relaunch the game and attempt a quick custom match to test matchmaking before queuing ranked. If relaunching didn't fix it, refresh your network. Toggle airplane mode or reboot the router to get a new IP and clear transient routing problems. You should then close background apps and enable your phone's performance mode so the game can allocate CPU and memory without interference. If Wi-Fi still stalls, switch to mobile data or set DNS to 8. 8, 8, 8 or 1. 1, 1. 1 to bypass ISP routing issues. These steps solve most queue hangups caused by poor routing or device throttling. When network and device tweaks don't work, update Mobile Legends or reinstall it to replace damaged files. This resets matchmaking logic. Also verify official server status. Sometimes the problem is on their side and you must wait. If issues persist, collect logs, take timestamp screenshots, and contact support. Provide game version, device model, and steps you tried. As a key troubleshooting tip, test with a friend in a party.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.